Good morning, folks. It's a rainy northwest day here, but what I want to show you is I'm trying, the guys at Soap Daddy sent me a generous supply of samples. So right here we're using the BioSpray 08 on this. This is the, might as well try it on something grimy. So here we are using the new Soap Daddy BioSpray 08 enzyme. Now I didn't mix anything with it except the BioSpray 08. No boosters, no solvents, no peroxide, no anything else. And we'll give it a try. Now remember, I didn't pre-scrub this carpet or anything. And let's see what happens. Now, sorry, let me put my, I'm cleaning with one hand here, so bear with me. Sorry about that. So, let's see what Soap Daddy does here. Well, I would say that's a pretty successful test. Normally, I would actually pre-scrub this with a 175, maybe use a green pad. But with no pre-scrub, no boosters, no tweaks or anything, and not too much effort in cleaning it, and have the truck mount turned. I have propane heat, so it gets pretty hot. I'd have to say I'm saying this is pretty much a success. So thank you so much. Thank you guys at Soap Daddy for sending me the samples. And let's see, not so bad. Hey, thanks everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.